OpenAI has just released its most powerful model yet, GPT 4.1, and it's rewriting everything we thought AI could do, changing the landscape overnight. With an unbelievable 1 million token context window, this version can now remember, analyze, and generate across entire books, huge codebases, or hours of detailed conversation. This isn't just an incremental update, it's a major leap forward in how we interact with AI, especially within the ChatGPT experience. From smarter reasoning to a personalized memory system, GPT 4.1 is already becoming the most intelligent and adaptable AI model available. Before we break it all down, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives on tech, tools, and the AI revolution unfolding around us. Let's dive into why GPT 4.1 is being hailed as the future of artificial intelligence and digital creativity. 1. What makes GPT 4.1 so different? GPT 4.1 builds on the foundation of GPT-4, but adds enormous new capabilities in both memory and reasoning speed. The headline feature, a staggering 1 million token context window that makes older models feel small in comparison. This allows the model to reference hundreds of pages of data at once, something that was previously impossible. Its reasoning engine has also been refined, making it better at understanding nuance, multi-step logic, and long-term goals. This makes GPT 4.1 ideal not just for chat, but for serious professional work, from research to coding to content strategy. What was once a helpful chatbot now feels like a real-time partner in complex problem-solving and decision-making. 2. What are tokens, and why 1M matters? A token is like a piece of a sentence, roughly a short word or 3 to 4 characters that AI uses to read and respond. Previous models maxed out at 8,000 tokens, and even GPT-4 Turbo could only handle 128 key. GPT 4.1 smashes those limits with a 1 million token memory, allowing full books, manuals, data dumps, and transcripts to be loaded at once. This opens the door for tasks like summarizing novels, debugging entire apps, or writing movie scripts without cutting context. It doesn't just remember more, it remembers better, connecting details from far back in your conversation or document. For researchers, writers, and coders, this unlocks true long-form interaction with AI for the first time. 3. Better reasoning and fewer mistakes. GPT 4.1 doesn't just have more memory, it's more intelligent with it. You'll notice better performance in math, logic, multi-part questions, and abstract problem-solving. It can follow nested instructions, understand your intent more clearly, and give results that feel more like talking to an expert. It also reduces common AI errors like hallucinations or off-topic tangents, making it more trustworthy for sensitive tasks. Whether you're analyzing complex research, writing legal text, or composing music, GPT 4.1 holds up impressively. It brings accuracy and reliability to the conversation, staying focused even through long or shifting prompts. 4. ChatGPT just got a huge boost. For ChatGPT users, this update brings all the benefits of GPT 4.1 without extra setup. It's already active. For Plus and Pro users, the response times are faster, the memory is deeper, and the ability to handle complex multi-turn requests is stronger than ever. It feels like a true assistant, now able to work on ongoing tasks, remember your project, and adapt based on your feedback. You can write a full article, plan a marketing campaign, and get feedback on your writing all in one chat. This fluidity is what makes GPT 4.1 not just powerful, but useful in daily work and creative routines. There's no need to jump through hoops. GPT 4.1 just works intuitively and reliably. 5. Memory, now truly personalized. GPT 4.1's long-term memory isn't just about data, it's about remembering you. It tracks your preferences, your name, your writing style, your profession, and even the type of answers you expect. Over time, ChatGPT becomes more aligned with your workflow, offering suggestions that feel tailor-made. You can access and reset memory data anytime, so you're always in control of what the model remembers. This makes it ideal for people who rely on ChatGPT regularly, from solopreneurs to educators to developers. Your assistant is finally learning who you are and helping you accordingly. 6. Code interpreter, vision, and voice all in one. All tools in ChatGPT Python, vision, file uploads, and voice are now fully integrated under GPT 4.1. You can speak your query, upload a file, send a chart, and get a live response that pulls it all together. The AI can describe images, analyze spreadsheets, generate charts, and even let you interact using voice all within one chat window. This isn't just a chatbot anymore, it's a multi-sensory tool capable of blending data and communication into a seamless workflow. The value here goes beyond novelty. It's redefining how we think about user interfaces and productivity tools. And best of all, it's right there in ChatGPT, waiting to be explored. 7. Why developers are excited. GPT 4.1 is a dream tool for developers. It can analyze thousands of lines of code, offer debugging help, and generate entire feature sets. Whether you're working in JavaScript, Python, React, or Rust, it keeps up and offers contextual suggestions that actually work. You can load entire GitHub repos, ask architecture questions, and it remembers relationships between files. It also helps write tests, automate workflows, and suggest improvements based on patterns it recognizes. This level of assistance doesn't just speed up development, it improves it by reducing cognitive load and surfacing hidden logic gaps. GPT 4.1 is like having a senior dev looking over your shoulder who never gets tired. 8. Is it replacing jobs or creating new ones? Some worry that such a powerful AI will replace creative or technical roles, but history shows innovation creates new opportunities. GPT 4.1 shifts the playing field, making skills like problem framing, coordination, and creativity even more valuable. The tool handles repetition and grunt work, freeing humans to focus on strategy, vision, and collaboration. Writers now brainstorm faster, marketers scale campaigns effortlessly, and devs build smarter, not harder. Those who embrace GPT 4.1 won't be left behind. They'll lead in shaping what's possible with intelligent co-creation. The key is adaptation, not fear. 9. Limitations you should know. Despite its strengths, GPT 4.1 isn't perfect. It still requires careful prompts, human review, and ethical oversight. It can misunderstand complex metaphors, cultural nuance, or emotionally charged instructions. Its answers improve dramatically with better framing and feedback, so clear communication still matters. And although it can remember a lot, it's still grounded in patterns, not true understanding. Use it as a partner, not a replacement, and you'll get the most value from what it offers. It's brilliant, but still learning just like us. 10. What's next for OpenAI? GPT 4.1 sets the stage, but the AI revolution is far from over. Future models may bring live internet access, advanced agents, real-world task automation, and deeper integration with daily life. We're moving toward assistants that not only understand but act, schedule, create, and collaborate like digital teammates. Imagine an AI that manages your business, writes your code, and books your travel seamlessly and safely. With GPT 4.1, OpenAI just took a massive leap toward that future, and it's only going to accelerate from here. Stay curious, stay adaptable. Don't miss the shift. GPT 4.1 is already transforming how we learn, build, and communicate, and it's only getting better. It's not just about automation, it's about amplification of human potential. Whether you're a content creator, student, developer, or entrepreneur, this tool belongs in your digital toolbox. Like and subscribe to stay ahead of the AI curve. We're entering a new era, and the pace is only picking up. Thanks for watching, and get ready because the AI future just arrived, and it's brighter than ever.